Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello helper and friend, today I'm going to share with you a very advanced tutorial to edit photos. So friend, here I'm going to share with you some examples so you will get the idea. This is original image and I want to make this type of image today. Okay, so you can see that this is my image and this is created by ChatGPT. So today in this tutorial I am going to share with you a simple and easy steps to make like these images. Okay, so keep watching. Here I am going to show you how we can do that. So friend, here first thing first, I am going to share with you import images. So friend, this is my image. This is my first image and this is my second image. Okay, and I want to make like this image. Okay, so let's do it. So this is my Google Chrome browser and here I'm going to open ChatGPT. You open ChatGPT, you must logged in with your Gmail account or your email ID, so you will get this dashboard. Okay, so now here we are going to copy this path and then here we are going to upload that image as the input. So we want to make image like this is the input image. Okay, so this is input image. So we want to first create a line image. Okay, so this is my input image and this is the another image. We want to make a line image. Okay, and here I have the prompt, so we are going to open it and we simply copy all the prompt and then we are going to paste over here. Okay, just only change the subject. So here we want to make a line image. Okay, so that's why we are going to type line and simply change this subject only and okay, and then simply press enter or click on submit prompt. So friend, you can see that this image is generated by ChatGPT. Okay, if you want to change something, you can directly give the instruction and it will change. Okay, now I'm going to change my image. Okay, so what I will do, simply click my image. Okay, and again we are going to paste that prompt over here. Sorry, and then simply paste over here. Okay, now we are going to simply change the subject. My name is Vijay. Okay, my picture. Simply copy this text, paste over here. Now this is the thing and we're going to paste. Okay, simply hit enter or click send prompt. So friend, you can see that this image is changed by ChatGPT. So friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys how you can easily make this type of images from ChatGPT. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.